If you are facing error establishing a database connection error in WordPress, that's how to fix it within 2 minutes using repair method. All right, now let's quickly jump into the fix. I am going into my WordPress websites directory, and here on the root of the folder I will be opening my file which is named as wp-config.php. All right, at the very end where it is saying like that's all, stop editing and things like that, just above that I will be adding define. Let me quickly zoom it a bit so you can see clearly. I am just adding define constant, and the constant which I am using is wp allow repair. All right, and I am setting it to true. Now once done I am quickly saving it, and now I am moving back to my site. All right, now in new tab I will be opening my localhost URL of my website, which is in my case is slash slate. So in your case it can be anything like example.com or google.com, whatever name of your website is. All right, after that once that is done you have to add wp dash admin, and you have to then add slash maint. Okay, so it's at my end, it is opening the file, and then you have to write slash forward slash rapair repair.php. Actually we are calling the WordPress is built-in repair file from the wp admin folder. Once you have written this you have to just click on the enter button. All right, so it says two options like if we have to repair and optimize our database or simply repair. In my case I will be simply clicking on the repair because I know my issue is coming due to the repair, due to the something wrong in my data in my database. All right, so one thing to note, always make sure you are taking full backup of your database and even your core files and even your full website backup to be certain that everything stays fine after application of any of the fixes. All right, so now if you see it says like some database problems could not be repaired, please copy and paste the following. Okay, so it says like wp options table doesn't exist. All right, so we have actually found the issue. Now if I just go to my sql and inside my database, and if I just check my WP options table, indeed it is missing because my options table is having some wrong name like WP underscore options underscore old. Maybe it is coming from the backup and from some anyway because I have migrated my site. So now I have to fix it. I have to simply go to operations, and here I can simply set it back to WP underscore options. Once done I can quickly click on the go. It looks like something isn't right, so I can simply refresh again to see if that is working or not. So I can just go to browse. So I am facing some sort, no, it's some sort of a error, but our actual, yes, our database name got changed indeed. All right, so now if I go back to our website, or if again I just quickly click on it to see what it says for us right now. So it says everything seems to be fine because the issue was in our database table name which we have fixed. All right, now our site is fully back and everything seems to be working fine. Whenever we have done anything in our database we have to simply make sure we are removing these type of constants. All right, and make sure your security is first priority in any of your fixes. All right, by now we have fixed our error establishing a database connection with three different ways. All right, in the next video we will be checking another option or another solution to see if that works for you, and if previous three fails you can move on to the next one. Until then, have a nice time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.